The Dyson V6 Top Dog Handheld combines powerful, cord-free suction with a range of interchangeable tools, designed to remove all types of debris including pet hair from every space and surface in your home. Lightweight at less than 4 pounds, the V6 Top Dog is easy to handle with the center of gravity located towards the grip. No cord means quick, hassle-free cleaning wherever your pet chooses to roam, without being tethered to the wall. Engineered for pet owners, the V6 Top Dog includes the stiff bristle brush for grounding dirt and the mini-motorized tool for pet hair on upholstery and in the car. The combination tool and crevice tool fit in tight spaces and pick up large debris from pet food to kitty litter. The V6 Top Dog is covered by a 2-year warranty, parts and labor. Power through tough cleaning tasks with this Dyson V6 Top Dog Handheld Vacuum. Multiple tools let you address food spills, pet hair or general dust, and the battery provides suction power for up to 20 minutes for lengthy work. This Dyson V6 Top Dog Handheld Vacuum has a clear bin that collects debris for easy removal. Product features: cordless hand vac for spot cleaning, clean stairs, upholstery and hard-to-reach areas with powerful suction that doesn't fade. Bagless technology saves time and energy with no bags to buy or replace. 21.6 volts battery provides up to 20 minutes of runtime per full charge. Crevice tool allows you to clean in tight spaces. Combination dusting brush, upholstery tool helps you clean your furniture thoroughly. 1.1 gallon dust cup holds an amount of dirt, so you can empty it less. Lightweight design helps you transport the vacuum from room to room and floor to floor. 101 watts of suction power offer reliable suction to thoroughly clean your carpets, office, vehicle and more. Being cordless makes it super fast and hassle-free to clean up a corner, her dog bed, and our patio furniture. And being so easy means I'm much more likely to clean up little messes before they turn into big ones.